welcome back to another video. Hope you're fine now, friends. In this video, once again, I'm talking about the SHIBA INU token. That is this time the SHIBA token holders doing a very biggest mistake. So please don't do this mistake and be safe from loss, friends. If you do this mistake, so absolutely you are in the loss. And if you don't do this mistake, so I hope that that's the best decision for all of you, and I hope that very soon you get a good amount of profit with the SHIBA token, friends. So before starting this interesting video, before talking about more the Shiba token, please click the subscribe button for more this kind of news and updates. Subscribe is very important for all of you, friends. That is why I'm again and again asking you to that please subscribe ABS Tech channel. So please click the subscribe button for more this kind of news and update, friends. Anyways, what is the mistake in this video? I will show you, friends. So keep watch till the end, friends. If we talk about the current price of the Shiba token, so at this time price of the Shiba token in the market as 0.00032 USD dollar is the current price of the Shiba token. On the other hand, my friends, if we talk about the price change occurring this time in the Shiba token, so as you can see here, the last 1 week change is positive, and the last 1 day change is also positive. And if you look at the last 1 hour price change, so the last 1 hour price change is negative, friends. Absolutely, the last 1 week pricing is in the thousand positive, approximately 1,000, approximately 2,000 positive changes occur in the Shiba token, friends. So that is a good news. Let's see the price chart for a better understanding. But as you can see here, the last 1 hour, as I show you on the in the start of this video, that the last 1 hour price change is negative, friends. So a lot of holders understand that that's a temporary, that's a continuous phase of the Shiba token. That is why the price is over and over fast occur in the Shiba token, and they at this time they gonna sell Shiba token, friends. So don't do this, especially the short-term investor doing this big mistake at this time that they want to sell his Shiba token, friends. So don't do this mistake and don't sell Shiba token. It's time to hold Shiba token, as I show you that the last 1 week pricing as about 2,000, not only 200, 2,000 positive changes occur in the Shiba token the last 1 hour price. So that is clear that Shiba token make millionaire because in the 1,000+ positive shares occur in a Shiba token. So that's good news for all of Shiba token holders. Anyways, if we talk about the price since occur in the Shiba token in the last 1 day, so positive 3.25% positive change occur in the Shiba token, and the highest price is 0.00038 USD dollar is the highest price of the Shiba token. So that's my suggestion for all of you, friends, that don't do sell it at this time, friends. Don't do this mistake, and it's time to hold Shiba token. What's your prediction? My prediction is positive about Shiba token. And what's your prediction? Share in the comment box. And kindly, friends, once again I'm telling you, I request all of you that please subscribe ABS Tech channel for more this kind of news and updates.